Last year was the hottest on record. In the city of Karachi in Pakistan, there were reports of people literally falling unconscious from the heat and several deaths. Temperatures soared to as high as 47 degrees Celsius, leaving doctors treating thousands for heat stroke. Elsewhere in the world, there were similar stories, with the latest Lancet Countdown report finding that people in every country face record-breaking threats to their health and survival from the rapidly changing climate. Conducted by 122 leading global experts, it shows that heat-related deaths, food insecurity and the spread of infectious diseases caused by the climate crisis have reached record levels.
With our data, with our evidence, what we're seeing is that climate change is a fundamental health issue. We have reached record, very concerning new levels in the latest year of data. To give you an example, we're seeing that the death of a very vulnerable age group of people over 65 years of age that is due to extreme heat exposure have increased. We're also seeing, as a result of extreme heat exposure, that people's capacity to work outdoors is increasingly limited, and the health of workers is being put at risk.
The report's authors say no individual or economy on the planet is immune to the health threats of the crisis. In 2023, people were exposed to, on average, an unprecedented 50 more days of health-threatening temperatures than expected without climate change. And it found that the higher frequency of heat waves and droughts was associated with 151 million more people experiencing moderate or severe food insecurity in 124 countries in 2022.
Almost 50% of the global land area is now affected by extreme droughts. And we've seen what this looks like in terms of the threats to people's health in cases like we've seen in Somalia, in the Horn of Africa, that acute hunger situation that was exacerbated by the drought. In South America, where I'm from, a record drought over the past year or two has led to also devastating impacts on our agricultural system. It has also isolated communities in the Amazon that rely on rivers to move around. So the health implications of all of that are enormous.
Ahead of the COP29 climate summit in November, the experts are calling on governments to redirect the trillions of dollars spent on fossil fuels towards protecting people's health, lives and livelihoods.